What's going on, guys? You know what? That's a gorgeous sunset behind me. But you know what else is gorgeous? This Kspeaker K100PLUS. We got that hooked up in the old Wolverine here. They're always on sale. All right, so I picked this up for literally $99 and stuff. Go ahead and check the link in the description. We need some tunes for the Wolverine, and I know there's all those different brands out there, and Kspeaker, they're kind of new to the party. The internals are from JBL Audio, which is pretty great. Consider how their sound bars will be upwards of over 500 bucks and stuff. So if you're just looking for sound, like a simple sound, even if you're going 50, it kicks major ass if you ask me and stuff. So let's see how loud it can get. Now see how far we are from the Wolverine. That comes with two remotes. I'm not going to go in an unboxing video. There's plenty of those on the internet. But this is a 25-inch model, the 25-inch KT100PLUS from Kspeaker. And like I said, they're new to the soundbar scene. They always make stuff for motorcycles, and they have a lot of products. They're just getting into the UTV right now. Like I said, they always got a sale, and as you can see how far away we are. All that sound is coming from the 25-inch soundbar. So if you're there, I'm going to leave a link in the description to their website. And this is not affiliated. I paid for this with my old cold hard cash and stuff because we needed a soundbar. 6-year warranty. 6-year warranty. 6-year warranty. They get the internals are from JBL Audio. You really can't go wrong. And you see how it's beating right now. No, like I said, it's pretty much just a party there. All this sound is coming from a 25-inch bar. Now, it's also a lighted bar. It's got different modes with this remote. Like I said, it's on, and this is the bass version. I can't even imagine what the bigger versions sound like. But no, I'm telling you, for 100 bucks, you really can't, as is this recording, for 100 bucks, you really can't go wrong with this Kspeaker soundbar. So hey, until then, shine side up.